In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. Stop wondering where your money went. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, automated sheet that shows your spending and savings at a glance. Start by opening a new Google Sheet and setting up 4 columns from left to right: category, planned, actually spent, and difference. These are the backbone of the tracker. To make your header row stand out, select those 4 cells, make them bold, and add a bottom border. This simple styling helps your eyes land on the structure of the sheet every time you open it, which makes it easier to keep up with your budget. Under Category, list the areas where you typically spend, things like rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. In the Planned column, type the amount you intend to spend for each category this month. In the Actually Spent column, enter your real spending as the month goes on. For clarity, you can format the Planned and Actually Spent columns as currency, so everything lines up and is easy to read. Now, let's make the sheet do the math for you. Click the first cell in the Difference column that lines up with your first category. Type the formula E equals B2C2 based on this layout. This subtracts what you actually spent from what you plan to spend. If the result is positive, you're under budget. If it's negative, you went over. Press Enter, and you should see the result immediately. To apply that to the rest of your categories, use the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. Drag it down to copy the formula for all your rows. Every time you add or update a number in Planned or Actually Spent, your difference will update automatically. Finally, let's total things up at the bottom. Click the cell beneath your last entry in the Actually Spent column and type EASAM. Then select the range of cells in that column that contain your spending. Press Enter to see your total monthly expenses. This is your moment of truth, a quick snapshot of what you really spent. If you want to keep things neat, you can also add a label like Total in the Category column on that same row. That's it. Keep this sheet open on your phone or computer and update it regularly. With these 4 columns, a single formula, and one simple total, you'll always know exactly where your money is going and how much you're saving.